Hi folks, just Ben here with Pierre Driving School. I'd like to answer a few questions that coming in regarding the NYC road test result. Many students are calling and wondering why do they have to wait now until 6 p.m. to get as they used to get it right from the get-go. So we want to make sure we answer this question so everybody can be clear the reasoning behind that and how they can get the result. Okay, so now as of December of last year, the end of summer of last year, if you will, DMV no longer giving the wood test result as they used to let you know on the spot. Now you have to go home after 6 p.m. to go on their DMV website and to see what you've done or not, and to if you pass or fail. And that while you're there, they give you the opportunity, if you pass, so you can print out the slip along with your learner's permit until you get the actual permit comes in the mail, or the actual license comes in the mail, then you can drive with it, all right? The reason behind that is because a lot of people now, after they take their road test, they tend to go ahead and fight with the DMV examiner if they don't pass the test on the first try, or they don't pass the test for whatever the reason is. Now, to avoid all type of altercation and fighting with the examiner, they felt like it's better for you to go home after 6 p.m. when they're closed, so you can go ahead and look at your result, and from there you will determine either to do more lesson again or go for a road test or passing, all right? So it's people like you and I who make it difficult for other people, things that we used to do, all right? So when those things happening, there's nothing we can do to adjust with the system. As human, they're adjusting as they go along the way. Above all, safety is the number one priority. So if the examiner not feeling safe while they're conducting the road test, they will do everything in their power to make sure that not only be safe for them, as well as for us that taking for the road test, because we never know how the outcome may be, all right? So I don't know if I answered the question correctly. If you guys have any more questions and concern, you can always put them in the comment below. That's where we go and get most of our questions answered. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, you can do so. So whenever we drop any updates, you'll be the first one to be notified, and ring the bell notification so you can be on top of that. Until then, keep practicing. Just been here with Pierre Driving School. Thank you.